Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing. And with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you. Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, I train people on how to make money online, and I'm still training people on how to make money online on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that I've trained. Yes, he got my software video course and is doing fine already. Yeah, if you've been following my previous video, you will know I am a affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing, and I'm still using ClickBank affiliate marketing, and I'm still training people on how to make money on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. Commission, I mean the percentage of the money which is allocated to you for selling the product. For instance, if your product costs $70, you can be given $20 as commission. So the more product you sell, the more commission you sell, and the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission also. So there are also many things that need to be considered when going into affiliate marketing. One of it is that you need a strong traffic system. Traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your link and affiliate product, people that you are going to be sharing your affiliate product to. Those are traffic. And there are two main sources by which you can get traffic. We have a free traffic system and a paid traffic system. I will start by telling you about the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your product. Yes, you know, many times when you are browsing maybe on Facebook or Instagram, you see pop-up adverts that say check this out. Those are paid traffic system. You have to pay for them to create the adverts for you. Also, we have the free traffic system, which is where I'm coming because I have a software which I've developed myself. Yes, I'm a software developer. I developed this software and I've been using it to earn good money on affiliate marketing. This is the software that my student also used to earn this result you can see on the screen. Yes, my software is a free traffic system because after you purchase this from me, you don't need to activate it again. You don't need to pay any other money to use the software. And the software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffics online daily and promoting your affiliate product and link to this organic traffic for you to get commission. And with this software, you are going to get many sales daily, like the one you can see on the screen. These are excellent results from my student, like $500, $400, $700, $600. So I'm going to get daily sales of this amount. So to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform, you can just contact me now on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Yes, my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, and other affiliate marketing platforms that you may want to use. So get the software now and video course. Yes, my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software, and it also contains some information on how to select products and how to get stable customers. Yes, because but in my video course you are going to see some secrets and things that will guide you. So get my software video course now and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Also, when you get my software video course, I'm going to stick by you till you start earning. Yes, I'm going to guide you. Apart from my video course, yes, my video course is self-explanatory, but if you need me to guide you, I'm going to guide you till you start earning big also. So contact me now on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.